Hello, welcome to this quick demonstration of the Requirements Analyzer Assistant. This tool supports the creation and edition of use case specifications within Eclipse. Let's open the specification from an already existing system. The editor contains information of all system requirements, such as problem statement, vision, use case specifications, and actor descriptions. The editor bundling tool makes it easier to view and edit actors and use case descriptions. For example, in this use case, we have a large basic flow. The analyst can open it in a larger window to improve readability. This use case also has alternative flows and preconditions. Their description is stored separately from the basic flow. There is a separated tab for documenting supplementary requirements, such as non-functional properties and design constraints. Once the analyst has created or imported the requirements, the tool can start analyzing the text. For this purpose, the user has to right-click on the use case file and open a wizard. We just have to input a file name to store the results. The tool will run a pipeline of text analytic modules to retrieve semantic information from the use cases. This information will later be used to mine latent concerns hidden in the requirements. If we open the UIMA file, we will see the annotations generated for the text in the use cases. Of course, the analyst doesn't need to know what's in the file. After running the pipeline, we can create a new file for analyzing latent concerns. We could just create a new UIMA file, but since we already have it, we just select the existing file. To complete the wizard, we type a representative name for both the new file and the project. Initially, the editor is empty because no automated analysis was executed yet. For finding concerns, our tool makes use of a rule-based engine. Before starting the search, analysts can tune up the rule set included in the tool. For example, if we select a direct query for performance, we can look at the keywords used for searching this particular concern. If we select an impact query instead, we can look at the domain actions used to search for requirements affected by performance. A rule can also be disabled if the analyst feels it's not relevant. Finally, we save the changes. For executing the selected rules, analysts only have to click a button in the menu bar. Afterward, the rules will search for latent concerns, analyzing both direct and indirect cross-cutting relations. The list is updated to show the results of the search. In this demo, there are 4 concerns: access control, integrity, concurrence, and performance. On the right side of the screen, analysts can browse the sentences affected by the concern and its context. There are also features for adding, editing, and removing sentences not found by the rules. In the second tab of the editor, there is a traceability matrix. Each cell represents the presence or absence of a concern in a use case. In addition, users can look at the concerns with the built-in visualizations. This panel displays a build-size view of the requirements. Each column stands for a use case, and inside them there are lines in color that represent sentences affected by concerns. Analysts can filter the list of concerns for improving the analysis and reasoning process. The lines in color are clickable. If an analyst double-clicks one of them, he or she will be sent to the detailed view. In this view, users can read the textual context of a particular use case. Sentences affected by concerns are also highlighted with colors. At this point, analysts can check if the concerns found by the rules were correct. If not, they can use the contextual menu to quickly fix the mistakes or omissions. For instance, if the analyst thinks that a sentence allegedly affected by performance is wrong, it can rapidly unmark it without leaving the view. For further information about the tool, please check the project site at Google Code. If you had any question, feel free to send us an email. Thank you for your attention.